Bism- Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Engineer Masood Akhtar Kiani, and today we have the technical session number 150150. Our subject is geocell, which is a substitute of a pitching stone. We will discuss about the standard and the application, what are the materials and benefit. Before going ahead, I would like to request you to subscribe the video in order to reach the next video with the easy access. So this is the easy material, and also how we will see the how the application and how it will take in the short times. So this is a durable and also within time consumption is very less. This is the material also. See in this the air we can fill the soil also, we can fill the aggregate also, we can fill the stone also, and also it show the landscape also different types, and there are some uh, species in order to fill according to the shop drawing and our required architectural view and landscape view, high hardscape or softscape, whatsoever it is. So this is also a sort of material also, and this also in the slopes we can fill this one and fill all of these spaces according to the which scape, either hardscape or softscape, which is required. So these are the things. So this is a geocell is a three-dimensional cellular structure material with filled with soil, gravel, and the other stabilized steep slopes to prevent the erosion. There are constructed the high density polyethylene HDPE and the effects of the open cell structure and also allow to confirm the terrain. So this material age is 75 years to 60 years. If it is the hardcore, then it is 75 years. Life guarantee is the 75 years. If it is the base core and the standard, which is the 60 years. So the testing standard relevant for this material which cover the properties and the manufacturing and all the process is ASTM D8269 dash 21. This standard guides for the use of geocell in geotechnical and the road projects and what are the required things. So geocell is if we go to the physical properties, this is also size is also this one, this role, then aspect ratio, then it is the cell uh, per meter square, then cell depth, how much, which is 150, um, thickness is 1.35 mm, and also strip thickness is 1.35. So cell stream thickness in Newton 2150 plus minus 5 percentage. Density gram per cubic meter, it is 0.95 plus minus 1.5, and Sharp test yield strength, which is for this material, it is 20. So this is a polymer material, and the aperture side is 35 into 35, and the ultimate tensile strength is 20, and mass per unit area gram per meter square is 220, and shape of the aperture opening is the this is in the square, and we can also change this one by twisting the materials also. Right. So this is the typical type of the geosynthesis material HDP strips and expanded on site to form a honeycomb like structure that is infill. The geosynthetic is a simply synthetic product used to stabilize the terrain. The geos where it is used, this is also used in the slope area and where the um, stone pitching is there. But this can be a softscape and the hardscape in one time it will show, and in different types it's look like a architectural beautification. It's more convenient than the stone pitching itself. So, what is the use of HDP geocell? This term HDP geocell reduce the risk of structural failure by improving the soil stabilization, transfer, and the erosion control. Geocell also prevents the platform settlement and the deformation of the area and improve the slopes resist to the erosive forces, and also fill the geo cell with the concrete also, and it can be filled with the aggregate and the high flow of transmission vegetation soil also. So what is the shape of the geocell protection? This geocell system confined and the reinforced topsoil and the vegetation, and also cell increase the resistance to erosive forces, protecting and the also root zone from the loss of the soil particles. That can work particularly well to steep slopes and across the low of the moderate flows. So this material also we can say it is a very good material. So metallic like a steel copper reinforcing with cladding steel also widely used in the electrical grounding areas, and wherever it is required the erosion metallic ground forces grids and the invitation to the to prevent the unnecessary uh, unnecessary provision from the earth, and also expensive pure copper in the grounding materials also. So in concrete, this material is look like a grounded, and it's in the regards with another provision that the electrical standard uh, 29 CFR 1910.303 kg, and the required that the concrete bricks and the tiles walls to be considered on the grounds. So this is also a easy material, and the time consumption is also is very short as compared to the traditional stone pitching. So this was the material for which is the substitute of the stone pitching, and with the more efficiencies and the more decoration with the landscaping and the natural beauty. So in next video we will see each other with another subject. So thank you very much and have a nice day.